Welcome back. It's Bashir Fadl with more great ideas for passive income and side hustles as every day we're hustling, hustling, hustling. Today we're going to be talking about an easy way of making a lot of money. Okay, what is it? It's creating resumes. What? I've never created a resume before. Well, guess what? It's much easier than what you think. It allows you to work remotely and you can make quite a bit of money on it. So let's jump into the wagon and see how it works. Firstly, let's find out how much money I can make with the potential of people that are making resumes, and then let's see how easy it is to actually create resumes for people and make money from it. So number one, there's a couple of freelance websites. Actually, there's quite a few of them, but two of them we're going to look at. The first one is Fiverr, Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. Just search for the word resume. You're going to find a lot of people that are charging. Here's someone who would make it for about $40. Here's someone an hour, which could take more than an hour. Another one between $40 to $75. Another person up to over 130, $130 with 24 hours. So basically, I send them my information within a day, 24 hours. They'll send me back my resume and charge me $140, $150. So now we know the potential of it. If you go to Upwork, same thing. You're going to find people charging about $40, $50. Just go into Upwork, create your profile. Again, $55 an hour, $55 an hour. It might take 2 or 3 hours. So it's about, 100, 150 some dollars or $60. So all you have to do is just create a profile and show that you're good in creating resumes. Once I have my profile out there, we can leverage artificial intelligence. So basically, I just go into ChatGPT. If you don't have an account already, just try ChatGPT, create a user, password, and you're up and running. Also, the latest version of Microsoft Edge. If you guys are ancient, it's called Microsoft Explorer. The new version is Edge. You can be on a waiting list, and soon, I think the waiting list is almost over. You'll have chat capabilities on your search. When you search for something, you click on chat, and you can also be able to get some AI support from there. Once you're in there in ChatGPT, all you have to do is type in. So I've created millions of resumes, but I've never created a resume for an accountant that has 4 years of experience. So what I can do is just type in here, create a resume for accountant with 4 years experience. Again, creating such a resume means I need to know some of the terminologies that are important to accountants, such as GL for general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable. I need to know what kind of software they use the most, like Excel and maybe Sage or QuickBooks. I need to know that, usually the first year you're going to be referred to as a junior accountant versus a senior accountant. Maybe you did an internship. So there's a lot of thinking that goes into putting such a resume together. Well, with ChatGPT, it does all the work for me. So notice as we're speaking in less than a minute, it's already building the resume. It's putting their contact information, their objective, using the words that are important to them, educational background, certifications. You're going to be a CPA certified public accountant. The work experience, it's going to be the accountant and then the company, the address, and the dates that person has worked in there. So you can see it's building it very beautifully with kind of the words that they use, such as accounts payable, accounts receivable, financial forecast, those buzzwords that, when people look at the resume for an accountant, that's the keywords that they're looking for. And it's building all of that for me automatically. So all I need to do is pretty much take this template and maybe, make sure I do the modifications, such as the name of the companies and whatever the person worked in. And I have my material. I have my resume right up, just ready right there. So given the tools, even the things that they're looking for, it has a lot of that information in there already. So it's a very valuable tool. It makes it very easy for us to be able to create those resumes for people, especially in fields that maybe would never worked before. If a cardiologist comes up to me, I'm definitely jumping into ChatGPT to be able to create the case of a cardiologist. Now, I have all the text that I have. It's wonderful, but I need a format. Someone's paying me $80, $100, $120 for a nice looking resume. I can't just have Word, just beautiful words, but the presentation isn't good. So there's a couple of options. One option, most of us have Microsoft Word, is you go into Microsoft Word, click File, click New, and then search for resume templates. Again, you can have some of the fanciest resume templates where you have a picture of the person and the verbiages and some information in here, maybe their LinkedIn page or professional stuff. And there's so many different beautiful templates that they have. Let's just take a simple one. And then basically what we're going to do is just copy and paste the verbiage that we have with the edits that we added to it. So it's very easy to create a resume. The whole process as we saw right now wouldn't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. And you could make $70, $80, $100 once you have that profile up and running and you have your customers. So Best of luck. If you guys enjoyed today's session, please don't forget to add subscribe. Thank you.